Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 30th, 2021. It's been a while since we did our last Cosmos Atom price prediction. So today we're going to give you all a price prediction for this particular cryptocurrency. As always, before I break all of that down, if you all appreciate our content, if this is your first time viewing our content and you appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. As you all can tell from my price chart, we go ahead and do price predictions. We expect where the market is going to go so that we can be in position to capitalize on the market. That is why we predict, we profit, and we win. So if you want to become part of our community, make sure before you leave, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel. So you can see right here in Cosmos, we went ahead and did a price prediction on March the 12th. Initially, we were playing the weakness into the market. We were looking for the market specialist to go ahead and try to decrease the price in Atom, and as you all can tell, we did do that. And one of the things I really wanted to emphasize and show you is look at how the market kept trading alongside that one ascending line on our chart. So after we completed our prediction on March the 12th, 4 days of trading, the trap went ahead and bounced the market off of that line. That told us automatically that the strength was still being maintained into the market in Cosmos and that we would expect the market to go higher in price. That is precisely what happened after we did our prediction. And I'm quite sure on that video we told you all that we could at least see the market come down to this ascending line. It is in our playlist. If you guys got the time, check it out and listen to see what was talked about. So right here around $17.50 was probably our TP area on that particular video that we talked about for 8.5% profitability. But let's say that you couldn't get in at that particular time. Let's say that you didn't see this video around the midpoint of March and you're into the market right now, right? You would be at a loss. That's why timing is so important when you are enter into any market, whether it's in cryptocurrencies or even in stocks. The time that you enter the market versus the time that you take profit can be massive. That's why it's real important that we manage how we place our soldiers into the market, how we go into the store. We need to make sure that we're not overstaying our welcome. We come in, get what we came to get, and we go to the next play. Because the market actually came to our ultimate TP price right here on March the 24th of about 11.89%. That was the low point in the market for Cosmos for us to grab the most profit. Okay. So if anything, we had opportunity to come into the market initially in the beginning phase of our prediction to take profit. And then again, right there on the 24th. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this away. Obviously, the market in Cosmos is not really in a trend. You guys can see we got two lines on our chart. And currently, the market's not falling either one of them. So what does that mean? Well, we're just simply trading within a range. And I'm going to show you all what is that range right now. Okay, so let's do this. This is the upward range into the market in Cosmos. Okay, this is the lower range. We've seen the market in Cosmos touch this particular line a couple of times, maybe about 3 times already. So you can visually now see that the market pretty much is not in a directional bias right now. We're not seeing it trending higher. We're not seeing it trending lower. Only thing that we get into the market in Cosmos is seeing the market trade within this line, right? That will be our current expectation, is to see this market in Cosmos continue to trade in between those two lines. So already we can tell that the current direction is higher. So we have an idea as to where we would expect the market to get hit with more selling, which is around $22 or even $21. That is a restriction area too. In the market in Cosmos, $21, right? So we're going to look at the market in Cosmos on a 3-day time frame. And currently the market looks pretty good. It's not extremely weak. If anything, we were able to overcome the weakness that came in over the last three-day price bars. You know, the market definitely came and confirmed that it wanted to keep price above $16.50 to $17. What about on a 5-day time frame? 5-day time frame, the market looks pretty good here in Cosmos as well to at least keep trading within these two lines. Weekly time frame. Here, same thing. The market here has given us a probable precursors of strength on the last completed weekly price bar, which lets us know that generally the market here is not extremely weak. Okay, you might even see a couple of videos that would draw this line right here in Cosmos that the trend generally in the long term is still keeping price above that line. So yeah, we're seeing the market in Cosmos still giving us strength, was still trending in the long term above that overall ascending line. So all looks pretty well in the sense of not seeing any weakness, not seeing any selling. Okay. And then on the monthly time frame, well, let me just give you all right here what I'm seeing on the 3 weeks time frame, because the market here in Cosmos is literally a wash from a 3-week perspective. If you were to give a time frame, you guys can see how the market in Cosmos has opened and closed right here around $19. That is going to be monumental. That is going to be the actual breaking point as to what direction the market is going to go. Okay, you guys can see how the market has literally hovered right there around $19.50. Whichever direction we break, like right now we're seeing the market break above that line, lets us know that the market overall momentum is still there, right? But we are definitely seeing a lot of impact of selling going on the last 2-3 weeks price bars. We got to be real cognizant of that. We got to see that and recognize that this one, and then again on this one, we are seeing a lot of weakness in the long term. And it looks like the market in Cosmos is going to try to break back up there again. But looking at that historically over the last 2-3 week price bars, we can expect to see more weakness enter into the market. Okay. So to put this into perspective, we're going to play this in terms of the market going higher in price. But looking at that on a 3 weeks time frame, we are not extremely bullish at all. Okay. Maybe we might see the market in Cosmos come back up here to $21 to $22, and that's about it. Okay. The next thing is the market may even find some restriction alongside this line here. So maybe 23, we could see the market come up to $23 before we'll see another influx of selling appear in the market for Cosmos. Okay. So generally what we're going to do, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market for Cosmos. Okay. Now we already have our area of support ultimately, which is around $16.70. The closer area is up here towards closer towards $17.70. Okay. Now we're going to play the market strength, no higher than $22 maybe. For restriction, we would definitely come in and TP out the market in Cosmos around $21, because that, like I told you, has been seen as restriction here in the background. So we would come into the market and skim off some of that profitability right there at 21, but no, we're going to take it all the way up there towards $22, which gives us about 9-10% profitability. Now you remember I showed you that downtrending line. I wouldn't even be surprised if we maintain a strength to see the market come up to 23. So we got 3 areas to where we'll come to the market and take the bag and walk out the store: 21, 22, and 23. Those would be the 3 levels to which we will come in and take some of these profits off the table. And that's it. This is how easy it is to predict prices. This is how easy it is to predict profit and win. So now it's your turn. Tell everyone in our community, what do you all see in the market for Cosmos? I mean, where are we going to go? Because we need to get in a position. In order for us to have the competitive advantage of everyone else in this market, we need to make sure that we are already at the price before they even recognize that the price is going to get there. So tell us with a comment in the comment section where you expect the market and Atom to go, and make it simple. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.